Hey there! I'm so glad you're here. I'm Christina Hunter, and I teach sustainable well-being and green living. And I'm so glad you're interested in sustainable well-being. It's really all about living well while living green. And we know there are so many issues facing us today, environmental issues and social issues and personal health and well-being issues. And that's what sustainable well-being is really trying to address. It acknowledges that we need to have a healthy planet and healthy people in order to really thrive. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this mini course. I give you the foundation to assess and grow sustainable well being in your own life. I'll give you a step by step framework, allowing you to take simple actions right away so that you can feel great knowing that your actions matter. And what else could be more important? This is well worth your time. I can't wait to see you there.